Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to access the download mode on this device. So to get started, we'll actually need a couple things, or a single thing, which is the cable that you use for charging. Plug it into your computer and have it somewhere on the side. So once that is ready, you can then power off the device. So pull down the panel and you will see the button right here to power off. Now holding the power key doesn't seem to do anything anymore apart from launching Bixby that no one really wants. So let's just shut it off. And once it's off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you want to take the phone and hold volume up and down, both keys together. And while holding them, you want to plug it in the phone with the cable. So I'm just going to start holding volume up and down, plug it in. And you can see you get the warning message, and then you have a volume up to continue and volume down to cancel. So volume up, and now we're in download mode. So that is how you would access the download mode. And if you want to leave it, you also have a message here stating how to leave it. So volume down and side key, which means power key, for more than 7 seconds, and it will basically reset the device. So let's hold power and volume down. And the screen just went black, so I just left it, and now it automatically turns back on into the Android. And as you can see, we're now in the Android system. So that is how you would access and also leave the download mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.